can just about see the crossing. I can hear the yodel alarms and barriers all the way from up here. Won't let me zoom out. Oh well, stay zoomed in then. So today is Tuesday the 27th of October 2020, and this is for your 1630 Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's to Barnstaple. It's not letting me zoom out for some reason. Aha, there we go. I won't be able to catch the number because of how far away we are from the crossing. So there it is, it's a free coach 158. We've seen a ton of these today because I've been at Crediton all day at the tea rooms. Okay, there it goes to Barnstaple. Up go the barriers. Oh, the lights went out late on the barriers. They didn't go off until they fully raised. They usually go off as soon as they raise. Yeah, whilst I've been here, me and Roger have just been hanging up solar string lights. This is a set of 241 white LED string lights, clear cable and multifunction. Not multifunction, just solar. I think these are static. I don't know if they have flash on them or not. Then we've also hung another set up over there. Yeah, just thought I'd show the crossing all the way from up here.